ng Concepcion!
Good morning, bro. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Woo! Nagkakagulong audience natin, How are you this morning, brother?
I'm good. Sabi ko kanina doon sa likod, ngayon lang ako kinabahan talaga ng ganito.
Okay, makasama natin ngayong umaga. Sam, pwede mo pakilala?
Si Patrick, girlfriend niya si Aris, and si Brent.
Ready to fight for ₱1 million? Go! Sam, here is your level 1 blueprint.
Busy mommy. Less than a pound of flours ang kailangan para makapulit ng toilet paper. Sa challenge na ito, gamit ang katawan, kailangan maubos ng contestant ang isang rolyo ng toilet paper sa pamamagitan ng pag-ikot ng maraming beses or a series of 360-degree spins. At kung sakaling mapunit ang sheet of toilet paper, the game is over. Kapag hindi ito nagawa sa loob ng 1 minute, ay maaari kang ma-eliminate.
Sa simula mo lang pwedeng hawakan ng tissue. Afterwards, bitaw na, ikot na. Pag naputol ang tissue, game over, you lose 1 life.
Okay.
Okay? Got it. Your first challenge is Dizzy Mommy for ₱5,000. You have a minute to win it. Good luck, Sam.
Go.
The game begins in 3, 2, 1.
Let's go!
Putol, game over, lose 1 life. Sam, sumano muna ako dito. Ano bang meron ngayon, first level, talo ka agad?
Mahirap talaga siya. Mahirap kasi napuputol siya.
Baka siguro lang. Dapat mas dikit. Kasi ba nandito ka, baka may tension yun sa mga naka-stretch. Baka lang sakali. But here's reality. You failed. You have 2 lives left. Let's find out. Okay, Sam, this is your second try. You have a minute to win it. Good luck. Second try na ni Sam. 45 seconds. Konti-konti na lang. Relax. Relax. Tayo ka lang dyan. Enjoy the moment. Meron ka ng ₱5,000. Do you want to win it for ₱1 million or uwi na with your ₱5,000? Win it. Okay, here is your level 2 blueprint.
Contagious. Sa challenge na ito, magsisimula ang contestant na may hawak na 3 empty soda cans sa isang kamay at 3 may laman na soda cans sa kabilang kamay. Kailangang ma-exchange ng player ang stack ng soda cans na nasa kaliwang kamay papunta sa kanang kamay or vice versa. Dapat itong magawa ng hindi gagamitin sandalan ng katawan ng player at hindi din pwedeng ipatong ang mga latas sa kahit sa anong surface. Kapag hindi ito nagawa sa loob ng 1 minute, ay maaari kang ma-eliminate.
This is contagious. Bawal idikit sa katawan mo ang mga lata. Kung mahulog man, ayusin mo muna sila, then you can resume the challenge. Okay, ready? Ready. Your level 2 challenge is contagious for ₱10,000. You have a minute to win it. Good luck. Dahan-dahan. 2 lives left.
No.
40 seconds.
Relax.
Ibalik ka agad.
Sam, try heavy on the top.
Yung heavy ang lagay mo, yung blue on sa taas. Kaya mahirapan ako eh.
No.
20 seconds.
Basta may time.
Sam, heavy on the top. Heavy on the top.
10.
Bro, ito. Heavy on the top talaga. Heavy on the top.
Sam, you have one life left. Okay? So yung mga kasama, meron ba kayong konting words of encouragement para kay Sam?
Heavy on the top kasi yung magaang, hindi siya stable.
Mapapatungan.
Pag nilagay mo ng mabigat, stable siya.
Stable siya.
Sige, feeling ko tama siya. Okay? Very, very good advice.
Go, Sam!
Ready ka na bang subukan ang advice? Ready. Ready ka akong manalo. Last life for Camp Jesus. Let's go. Sam, for 10,000 pesos, you have a minute to win it.
Minute to Win It would like to thank Drink Healthy, Drink Alkaline.